Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get your free connects on Upwork in 2025 using the latest working methods. So step 1, log into your Upwork account and go to the Find Work tab, and you can scroll down and go to View Details on your connects. Step 2, check if you have received the monthly free 10 connects because Upworks gives free 10 connects to all free tier users by default every month. Step 3, take the Upwork Readiness Test in the Upwork Academy section. By completing this, you will earn 40 free connects, and it's available once per account. Step 4, visit the My Stats tab if you have earned a Rising Talent badge. If you have earned that badge, you will get an extra 30 connects for free. Step 5, occasionally Upwork offers special events and surveys. Keep an eye on those notification and email for opportunities to earn bonus connects. Step 6, refer a freelancer or client using your referral link under the settings and then invite and earn when they sign up and make their first transaction to get your bonus. Step 7, you can also enter a promo code and apply it so that you can buy connects for free. And that's how you can stock up free connects on Upwork in 2025. No tricks, just real methods. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.